Loans are increasingly turning out to be bridges that link consumers with products of the choice. And really today, nothing seems to be out of reach of urban Indian consumers, given easy availability of finance. Now, what are some of the key factors that consumers are looking for when choosing a loan? To find out, we looked at the customer's pre- and post-purchase journey. And the key insight that emerged was 1 out of every consumer did not take a loan from the current bank due to lengthy processes, poor interest rates, and high processing charges. Now, this really gives highlights an opportunity for non-banking finance companies in the home loans market. Interestingly, few consumers actually make loan decisions all by themselves. There are few who do that on their own, but the fact of the matter is that the decision to take a loan is primarily done in consultation with the spouse, and we find women playing a very important role in this particular process. What we find is that when it comes to choosing a personal loan provider, really familiarity is very, very important. And the entity that consumers are most familiar with is a bank, because the nature of transactions that we have with banks, which is on a regular basis. And consumers are very comfortable going back to that entity, and banks have to absolutely exploit the situation from a cross-sell perspective. Now, I indicated earlier really that the turnaround time for loans is a very, very critical factor. And I think what consumers are today doing is really trying to talk to more than one bank or NBFCs, 3 in fact, our data says 3 different entities, and trying to figure out who can finish the entire process quickly. I think from a bank and from an NBFC perspective, the agenda really should be to how do I cut down this process cycle to win this consumer.